Hi, today we are going to see how to use remote desktop in Windows 10. In the search bar, search remote desktop connection. Here, click on show option, then click on computer and give your computer name and your username. Then click on connect. It will automatically connect to your desktop. In the display option, you can see the display configuration small, large, in full screen. Also, you can choose the quality, highest quality, true color, high color, 16-bit or 15-bit. And in the local resource, you can configure remote audio setting, apply window key combination, choose device resource that you want to use in your remote session. In experience option, you can direct connection quality automatically or WAN, LAN, high speed satellite, low speed modem. In the advanced option, you can see server authentication and setting. So if you connect, then it will connect to other remote desktop. So that's how to use remote desktop connection in Windows 10. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.